In this video, I'm going to show you how you can set up controllers on Steam. If you find this video helpful, I'll kindly request that you support me by liking the video and also by subscribing to my channel. Alright, the first thing you need to do is to go ahead and log into your Steam account. This you can do on the web page or on the app. For my case, I'm on the app and this process is just the same. From here, go ahead and click on Steam on top here and then choose this option called Settings. Now under Settings, you'll be able to see quite a number of options here, and down here you can see we have controller option. Now if you click on it, you'll be able to see Steam controller settings that you can go ahead and apply. For instance, you can go ahead and change the settings for external gamepad, and here we have guide button focus Steam. You can also enable Steam input for Xbox controllers. You can see currently it is turned off. If you want to turn on, you can just go ahead and toggle it on. And you can see the list is endless. We also have here PlayStation controller support. Currently, as you can see, it is enabled. And you can also go ahead and decide whether to disable or leave it the way it is. And you can go through this list and see the various options that are available. Now, once you have applied the changes, you'll also want to go ahead and make sure that you also apply the changes on any game. Maybe if you wanted to turn on controller options on any game, for that, go to your library and then identify the game that you want to turn on the controllers. For instance, this. So go ahead and right click on it and then choose the last option, properties, and under properties, select controllers. Now here you can see we have here an option either to override. This uses the default settings. However, if you want to go ahead and manually disable or enable the inputs, you can go ahead and choose from this. So that's how you can set up your controllers or enable controllers on Steam. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.